Welcome to Toronto, where sleek skyscrapers kiss the clouds and serene lakeside views steal your breath away. This city isn't just a place, it's an experience, alive with modern marvels, artistic vibes, and unforgettable beauty around every corner. Whether you're chasing skyline views or wandering through historic charm, Toronto has it all. Toronto, the vibrant heart of Canada, is a city that offers a seamless blend of natural beauty, urban sophistication, and multicultural charm. From the towering CN Tower piercing the sky to the serene shores of Lake Ontario, Toronto stands as a symbol of modern innovation and timeless elegance. Stroll along the waterfront and witness the stunning skyline that reflects perfectly on the water during sunrise and sunset. The city is home to iconic architectural marvels such as the Royal Ontario Museum with its crystal facade and the bold, innovative design of the Art Gallery of Ontario. Take a walk through Nathan Phillips Square and marvel at Toronto City Hall's futuristic twin towers, while enjoying the nearby reflecting pool that becomes a lively skating rink in winter. Downtown Toronto is a hub of luxury high-rises and sleek condos, each one contributing to the city's dazzling skyline, especially lit up at night. Explore the chic neighborhoods like Yorkville where high-end boutiques, fine dining restaurants, and art galleries thrive in a beautiful blend of historic buildings and glass towers. Visit the Distillery Historic District, a pedestrian-only village of 19th-century buildings transformed into an artistic and cultural hub, with cobblestone streets and contemporary sculptures dotting the area. The Toronto Islands, just a short ferry ride from the city, offer a peaceful retreat with beaches, green spaces, and stunning views of the cityscape across the water. Wander through High Park, the city's largest green space, where cherry blossoms bloom beautifully in spring, drawing crowds to its tranquil trails and serene lake. Walk along the Path, the world's largest underground shopping complex, seamlessly connecting modern skyscrapers and office buildings while protecting pedestrians from the city's winter chill. The iconic Rogers Centre, with its retractable roof, hosts sports events and concerts beneath the shadow of the CN Tower. Step into Kensington Market, a bohemian neighborhood that bursts with color, street art, and unique shops, creating a vibrant contrast to the surrounding glass towers. Discover the Evergreen Brick Works, an old industrial site turned into a sustainable park and cultural space, surrounded by trails, art, and gardens. Visit Ripley's Aquarium, located beside the CN Tower, where a walk-through tunnel allows visitors to experience marine life up close beneath glowing blue waters. Head up to the CN Tower's glass floor and edgewalk for adrenaline-pumping views of the entire city and Lake Ontario from over 1,100 feet in the air. Explore the Financial District where massive skyscrapers, like First Canadian Place and Scotia Plaza, dominate the skyline with sleek architecture and corporate grandeur. Wander around Queen's Quay, a modern waterfront development with stylish condos, recreational paths, and public art installations. The Aga Khan Museum offers a stunning white marble structure with Islamic art, sitting beautifully amidst gardens and fountains that provide a peaceful environment for reflection. Liberty Village blends history and innovation, with former factories transformed into trendy lofts, tech offices, cafes, and studios creating a youthful and creative vibe. Catch a show at the Royal Alexandra Theatre or the Princess of Wales Theatre in the Entertainment District, surrounded by bright lights and bustling energy. The Ontario Science Centre provides a unique architectural structure nestled in a ravine, offering fun and knowledge in a lush natural setting. Visit Casa Loma, a real-life castle atop a hill, offering breathtaking views of the city and filled with Gothic Revival architecture and elegant interiors. Take in the beauty of Toronto's harbourfront, where sailboats glide by and the skyline shimmers against the evening sky. The Four Seasons Centre for the Performing Arts, a modern glass building, hosts world-class opera and ballet in stunning acoustic perfection. Enjoy the vibrant lights and massive billboards of Yonge-Dundas Square, Toronto's answer to Times Square, surrounded by shopping, entertainment, and nightlife. The Roms Bloor Street location is surrounded by elegant university buildings and beautiful public art installations. Explore the lush Toronto Botanical Garden and nearby Edwards Gardens, offering a colorful escape from the urban rush. Watch the Toronto skyline from the Scarborough Bluffs, where dramatic cliffs and panoramic lake views provide a truly scenic backdrop. Discover the charm of Riverdale Park with its rolling hills and skyline views, popular with locals for picnics and kite flying. Walk across the Humber Bay Arch Bridge and enjoy the stunning panorama of the Toronto skyline framed by the arch and the waters of Lake Ontario. The newly revitalized East Bayfront and Canary District showcase sustainable urban living with beautiful architecture, green buildings, and pedestrian-friendly streets. Explore the University of Toronto campus with its mix of historic buildings and modern institutes, like the sleek Robarts Library and contemporary research centers. Visit the Toronto Zoo, not just for animals but for its beautiful landscapes, natural exhibits, and well-designed walking trails. Explore Allen Gardens Conservatory with its stunning glass domes and exotic plant collections offering a lush indoor escape. From Art Deco gems to ultramodern condos, Toronto's architecture is a diverse tapestry woven with historical and futuristic threads. Wander around the upscale Bay Street corridor filled with impressive office buildings, fountains, and sleek modern art installations. Check out Sugar Beach, a unique urban beach with pink umbrellas and white sand, offering a refreshing break from the urban buzz. From Rosedale's historic mansions to the glass towers of downtown, Toronto's neighborhoods tell a story of elegance, history, and modern ambition. Visit the Bentway, an urban park under the Gardiner Expressway that combines concrete, greenery, art, and community energy. Enjoy public art across the city like the Toronto sign at Nathan Phillips Square, which lights up in vibrant colors and has become an icon of the city. Take a stroll in the financial district at night and see the golden glow of office lights reflecting in the shiny steel and glass facades. In winter, the entire city transforms into a snow-covered wonderland with twinkling lights, holiday markets, and charming displays from downtown to the suburbs. In summer, patios bloom across the city, from rooftop bars with skyline views to lakeside spots offering fresh air and cool vibes. Visit the stunning Brookfield Place with its cathedral-like atrium of white steel arches and glass, a masterpiece of modern urban design. Marvel at the futuristic One Bloor skyscraper rising high with its wavy contours and luxurious glass sheen. Check out The Well, a new multi-use complex combining modern architecture, open spaces, and vibrant life in one of the city's most innovative developments. Walk through St. Lawrence Market, blending historic architecture and lively market energy with the backdrop of modern towers nearby. End your day with a sunset at Polson Pier, where you can capture the perfect Instagram shot of Toronto's glittering skyline across the water. Toronto is a city where every corner, every skyline, and every street blends art, culture, nature, and architecture in perfect harmony.